So we're taking ride. The wagon ride here, it's free. It's included when you enter. And this whole place is decorated with because of Easter. You see? Look at the egg. 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 Oh my gosh, look at that house. I would love to have that house. The sun is coming out. It's peeking out. See how beautiful? It's alright. Don't worry about it every day.
Have a good ride.
Thank you.
Chapter ride, chapter ride. If you lose your phone.
We're not going to lose the phone.
This is the same place we're going to go on the bee ride. Oh, they have bee ride.
Look at that bird on top of that.
Oh, birdie!
I'm looking forward to seeing all the tulips flower that they're growing. I heard this is the first time they're growing tulips here. That's what the lady in the front said. So
then you can see better.
all those houses that's on top of the hills right there, mountains. So beautiful. So the video is, I'm shaky because the road is very bumpy. See, the road is muddy and she is, look at her hat, you can see her hat. The cat is carrying egg.
We're gonna go through the tunnel like
It feels bumpy. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That's my favorite. No, you will not take off any jacket right now. Sonia. Oh my gosh, my favorite flower. Tulips, hydrangeas. Oh my god, how beautiful. What?
Are you gonna faint?
I may just faint. That's not nice. Enjoy the tulip. Don't talk to me. Enjoy it. Look at it. See? I don't want you to miss out on it. I don't know if we're gonna stop and walk in the middle. I think that would be awesome. Oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty.
Don't put your hand up to reach it because there's a lot of spikes. There might be.
We're coming into a tunnel right now. Do you see the tunnel? Oh, I guess we're not going. Yeah.
Oh, I think we're gonna go through that. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way down. And we're going the same path. On the bee ride, we're going the same path. But for sure, we're going in the tunnels on the bee ride too.
Yeah, look at all the orange trees. Is it orange or lemon? This is orange. Yeah. you are?
Hi. It's so beautiful here.
Yes, it is.
It's worth it to come. When we pass, we're gonna go in a tunnel. It might be a little bit dark.
Yeah.
When you breathe don't worry, I'll be holding your hand on the B-ride. Because B-ride is 2 seats per ride. So 2 seats.
We're gonna go through the tunnel.
We're gonna go again on oh, this tunnel is more light. The truck. That tunnel is gonna be more dark than this one that we just went through. I'm gonna fade to
Anybody want to get off to wander around the flowers or the vegetables?
Flower, yes.
Want to get off?
Okay, so I want to tell you guys something. The tractor ride, she's going now. It stopped right here where the sign says pick your own. So I get this plastic bag because I want to pick some tulip flowers. So for the tulip flowers is $1 a stem. I'm walking toward the tulip and I want to pick some flowers. But what she said is when you're picking the tulip flowers, leave the bulb. Just pick the flower from the very bottom of the stem and pick the stem. So you can pick as much flower as you want. They're $1 a stem. So you do that at your, guess however many you want. So I will be picking some different colors. I'll be doing that. My husband is fasting, so I will be taking these flowers for him. I think he'll enjoy it. He couldn't be here today because he's fasting, so I didn't want him to walk and get tired. So I just figured I'll take some for him, and when he breaks his fast, he can have some wonderful flowers. So let me see. My goal is to pick them. Okay, I guess I just picked it like that. I don't know if you heard the sound of it. You see how some people are picking, they're just breaking. See? So that's what I'm doing too. So I'm going to pause the video now because there's red, pink, white. I see it's really big. I love it. So I am going to pause the video or end the video here, and I want to enjoy picking tulip flowers because this is honestly one of my favorite flowers. There's tulips, flowers like tulips, hydrangeas. That's just so beautiful. I want to enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll have another part of Underwood Farm and what's happening this week in spring break. This is where we are on the first day of spring break. Yesterday we went to Springtopia. That's in Woodland Hill. I have videos up there too. So let me go and pick my flowers. We'll talk to you guys later.